Hey guys! So I'm super excited for those of you who do not know, I go by the name BrittanyBearMakeup. I am brand new to this app, Spin Live, and I am so excited to talk to you guys about this bundle that I purchased. So I cannot wait. It is super exciting. So I actually went ahead and did a 30-piece bundle from, it's called Slashare, I believe, and I am wearing the earrings from this. So it's 30 pieces of jewelry. It comes with 7 pairs of earrings and 23 bracelet sets. You guys, they are so cute. So I don't know if you guys are new or maybe you came over from my Instagram, but I was wearing these the other day and I'm obsessed. These are 3 hoop earrings and they honestly are so cute. Like, I got so many compliments the other day on them when I was wearing them. So they come with 23 bracelets, like I said. These are some bracelets that I'm wearing. They are such incredible quality. So this one is like one of my favorite. It's like a marble. And then there's this super adorable, I already have them on because I've been rocking them like all week. This one has a tiny little heart. And it's just so cute. They're like dainty little accessories that honestly make your outfit look incredible. Hi guys, if you're new, I go by the name BrittanyBearMakeup. I'm new to Spin Live, so I'm really excited to share with you guys some amazing finds. Today I'm talking about this 30-piece set, and I want to share with you guys some of the awesome things on this set. So these are also another pair of earrings that come in this. So like I said, it's 7 earrings and 23 bracelets. These ones are so cute. Now, I honestly have never been a really big person like in accessories, but I've realized that when you accessorize, it honestly makes your outfit look so amazing. And if you guys signed up for my text messages, I believe you got 35% off, which the total came out to, if I'm not mistaken, it was like $8. So super affordable prices, you guys. The prices are just so incredible. Like, when I found out the price of this, I was like, I need this in my life. So these are some other bracelets that they come with. Oh, thank you so much, Holly. I appreciate it. So sweet. So this one is actually really cute. It's like a little knot. These are so fun. Like, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. When I heard 30 pieces, in my mind, I was like, oh, maybe they compromised the quality of products. But these are so like heavy. If that makes any sense, probably, but they're actually really heavy. They're really good quality. So you are not compromising quality at all with this bundle. So I also have some, I'm trying to show you guys like everything. There's so many cute pieces to this. This is another set of bangles that you guys could actually purchase. They're super adorable. I'm in love with these little earrings too. So right now I did the 3 hoop, which are like my staple go-to every single day. But these ones are super adorable as well. As you guys can see, they just make the look so much more polished. And then you have this one. It's like a little triangular earring right here. Let me actually take this one off and I can show you guys some other ways to wear the earrings. Let me see. So here we have the other earring. Super cute. And as you guys can see, like, I'm super basic right now. I'm wearing like a sweater, but just these accessories, they just add so much to the look, and I feel like they make it look so classy, and just they take you to the next level, which is awesome. That's what we always want. We want simple, and we want something that's just gonna elevate our look. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. Let me show you the other earring that comes in this set. Once again, 30 pieces. That is amazing. 7 pairs of earrings and 23 bracelets. So you guys, I don't even know what to say. Like, I go to the store all the time, retailer stores, and I end up buying like a little pack, maybe of like 4 items, and I end up spending like $16, $17, but you're getting 30 pieces for literally a fraction of the price. So it's so amazing. You guys definitely, I feel like this is a must grab. So these ones are super cute as well. And then there's these cute little stars, which I would never in my life think about wearing little stars, but I actually tried them on and I was really obsessed with how they looked. I'm like trying to fit it in my hole. So here you have it. So I honestly am so obsessed with this bundle. If you guys want to purchase it, go ahead, go down below. You guys know It's from Slashare. You guys can purchase it. I want to show you guys very quickly before I log off these super cute bracelets. These are like really dainty ones that I feel like just could be kind of like an everyday bracelet. These ones look like little honeycombs. And then I love this one. Tiny little triangle, super duper cute. Everything, honestly, like let me just try to hold it all up so you guys could see. All of these bracelets, all of the cute bracelets that I'm wearing. Go ahead, purchase it, guys. Trust me, this bundle is amazing. You guys are gonna be obsessed. And I'm super excited because I will also be going live again on Monday at 2 p.m. and I have another amazing product for you guys that I want you guys to check out. So if you guys wanna purchase, go down below, purchase this item. Once again, 7 pairs of earrings and 23 bracelets for a super extremely affordable price. So go down below, purchase it, and I will see you guys Monday here at 2 p.m. as well to show you guys some more amazing products. Bye, guys.